In this video, I'll show you how to deposit crypto and make a bank transfer on Crypto.com. First, open the Crypto.com app and tap Deposit. If you want to deposit crypto, choose Crypto, then select the coin you want to receive. Crypto.com will show your wallet address and QR code, and for some coins and networks, you may also need a memo or destination tag. Copy the address carefully, then paste it into the wallet or exchange you're sending from. Always make sure the coin and network match exactly, because crypto transfers are irreversible and unsupported tokens may be lost. Now for a bank transfer deposit, tap Deposit, then Cash, and choose your currency. In supported regions, Crypto.com gives you personal bank transfer details for methods like ACH, wire transfer, or local bank transfer, depending on your currency and location. Then go to your banking app or online banking portal and send funds from your own bank account using those details. Once the transfer is received, Crypto.com sends a notification in the app and by email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.